Hello and welcome to Crypto League 2020 Week 3. My name is Dil for Penang Science Cluster, and today I will be talking about a Cryptology Tool keyword. First, let me introduce what is cryptology. The term cryptology is derived from the Greek words cryptos or hidden and logos, which is word. Cryptology consists of cryptography, the science of making secured codes, and cryptanalysis, the science of breaking secured codes. We are able to hide message using secret keys. By using the secret key, we can reveal the hidden message again. These are some definitions that are important for you to know. New to this week is keyword and key letter, but allow me to go through it all again. Plaintext, meaningful letters, words or phrases. Ciphertext, random, meaningless letters, words or phrases. Plain numbers, representing plain text with numbers. Cipher numbers, representing ciphertext with numbers. Encryption, process of transforming plain text into ciphertext or hiding a message. Decryption, process of transforming ciphertext into plain text or revealing a hidden message. Key shift, used to transform plain text to ciphertext and ciphertext to plain text. Keyword, a word which acts as the key. And lastly, key letter, a letter which acts as the key. So let's start with the keyword cryptology tool and encrypting with the keyword tool. To begin with, we have a cipher table with rows and columns. The row of plaintext is populated with the alphabets from A to Z. Then we state a keyword and a key letter, which for today's demonstration, our keyword will be PEEL, P-E-E-L, and our key letter will be H. So now it's time to fill up the row of ciphertext. To begin with, we are going to take the first letter in the keyword PEEL, which is P, and put it underneath the plain text of H, which is our key letter. Then we are going to take the second letter from the keyword PEEL, which is E, and put it underneath the plain text that follows H, which is I. Now we take the third letter from the keyword, which is E. However, we already have E and we cannot have duplicate alphabets for ciphertext. And so we are going to skip the third letter of the keyword and move on to the fourth letter, which is L. I'm going to place L under the plain text of J. We then take the remaining available alphabets to populate the remaining ciphertext. Available alphabets meaning alphabets that are not in use. So P, E, and L has been used and so are unavailable. Similarly, after A, B, C, and D, since E has been used, we skip E. And after K, because L has been used, we skip L. And after O, because P has been used, we skip P. So this is the table fully populated with our ciphertext based off our keyword and key letter. We shall use the cipher table to encrypt the word vitamins. Vitamins is in plain text. So by referring to the cipher table, we can see that a plain text of V equals to ciphertext of N. Plain text of I equals ciphertext of E. If you wish to figure out the next ciphertext before I do, you may pause this video at any given time. Plain text of T equals ciphertext of K. Plain text of A equals ciphertext of T. Plain text of M equals ciphertext of C. Plain text of I equals ciphertext of E. Plain text of N equals ciphertext of D. Plain text of S equals ciphertext of J. And vitamins is our plain text and we have encrypted it. We have hidden a message to become an encrypted coded message, which is our ciphertext, which in this case is N, E, K, T, C, E, D, J. Now let's move on to decrypting with keyword tool. To begin with, we have a cipher table with rows and columns. The row of plain text is populated with the alphabets from A to Z. We also have a stated keyword and key letter, which for today's demonstration, our keyword will be energy and our key letter will be Y. So it's now time to fill up the row of ciphertext. To begin with, we are going to take the first letter in the keyword energy, which is E, and put it underneath the plain text of Y, which is our key letter. Then we are going to take the second letter from the keyword energy, which is N, and put underneath the plain text that follows Y, which is Z. Now we take the third letter from the keyword, which is E. However, we already have E and we cannot have duplicate alphabets in a given row. And so we are going to skip the third letter of the keyword and move on to the fourth letter in the keyword, which is R. I am going to place R under the plain text of A. Then we are going to take the fifth letter from the keyword energy, which is G. I'm going to place G under the plain text of B. Then we are going to take the sixth letter from the keyword energy, which is Y. I'm going to place Y under the plain text of C. We then take the remaining available alphabets to populate the remaining ciphertext. Available alphabets meaning alphabets that are not in use. So E, N, R, G, and Y has been used and so are unavailable. Similarly, after A, B, C, D, and since E has been used, we skip E. And after F, because G has been used, we skip G. And after M, because N has been used, we skip N. And after Q, because R has been used, we skip R. And after X, because Y has been used, we skip Y. So this is the table fully populated with our ciphertext based off our keyword and key letter. With the cipher table completed, we can start decrypting our ciphertext, which for today's demonstration is PSOUBHM. Ciphertext of P equals plaintext of P. Ciphertext of S equals plaintext of R. Ciphertext of O equals plaintext of O. Ciphertext of U equals plaintext of T. Ciphertext of B equals plaintext of E. Ciphertext of H equals plaintext of I. Ciphertext of M equals plaintext of N. So PSOUBHM is our ciphertext, and we have decrypted it. We have revealed a hidden message, which is our decrypted decoded message. Our plaintext, which is in this case, is protein. We hope you've understood the cryptology tool we discussed in this video, which is keyword. Crypto League 2020 is happening till January 2021. Till then, we will be publishing weekly videos and questions on cryptology, which you can answer for a chance to win prizes. So follow Penang Science Cluster on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to get notified when new videos and new questions go live every week. For inquiries, you can contact Atika. You can also contact her if you need more information to understand about the cryptology tool you have learned. And with that, we have reached the end of this video. Good luck and thank you for watching.